I'm back, y'all. Got a question for you. What kind of sight do you have? Ground sight or airplane sight? Ground sight, we see things too big. Ground sight, we see things as being too hard for us to do. But airplane sight, that's when we're above the problem. And what's big seems small. In the airplane flight, we're gonna experience some turbulence. But we will get to our destination. Do we know this? Do we believe this? Look back over your life and see times where you thought you were not gonna make it through. But somehow, some way, you made it through that thing. See, airplane sight says, even though I'm facing this, I'm expecting to get where I'm going. And when you're up in the air, you can't get off the plane. You cannot get off the plane. So you gotta go there. If we see our lives in that same way, what we are supposed to do? Just because there's some turbulence, we will buckle down, buckle up, and wait for what's coming our way. So I say to you and me, let's have airplane sight, not have ground sight. Ground sight, you can't go far, you can walk. But airplane sight, you can go way past your potential. You are an overcomer. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up.